Hi there, everyone. Here's what I woke up to Christmas morning 2017. So just sit right down in an easy chair, relax, and enjoy.
Ho, 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 ho.
Look, it's Christmas morning outside, and it's cold, and it's snowing on Christmas morning. Poor old Santa must have had a rough night flying. I sometimes had a hard landing, too. Well, now I guess I can make some money here brushing snow off people's cars. Brr! It's cold outside. Who forgot to turn the heat on? Things began to look bleaker and bleaker outside. Or I could sit inside all day, stay warm, and drink lots of coffee. Time to go brush snow off old Betsy. Christmas morning.
Ho, 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 ho.
Until next year, stay warm.